I got this Bloom Plus XP4000 grow light as a replacement for my shitty Famurs light to prove a point with LM301H lights. This light did not disappoint. Unboxing it revealed clean panels with LEDs that look crispy. This is what official LM301H diodes look like. I counted the LEDs in this light, and there's 784 regular LEDs and 24 infrareds. Now flipping it over, I noticed all the wiring. This seemed to be excessive, and I was concerned about the heat, which we'll get into later. The power lines have a unique connection in which you twist them to connect, which secures and prevents any water from getting in. The light is powered by MOSO drivers, which are dedicated to LED lights, and there's 2 of them. With a max power of 200 watts and 2 drivers, this light maxes out at 400 watts. The dimmer could be set to 0 to 100%, with 0 being completely off. The hardware included was 2 rope clip hangers and 2 metal wires. I still ended up using 4 rope clip hangers as explained on my how to properly hang a light video. The light itself is super thin, and because of that, it's relatively light. I managed to hang the light perfectly while my other light was still hanging. Once installed, I raised the light up to 18 inches, and off the bat, the outside reading was already at 900 ppfd, which is equivalent to the 12-inch reading on the center of the Famurs light I was replacing. Finally, I found a dope light. The center reading at 18 inches is slightly over 1,000, which is great because this means that the light is distributed evenly. It's definitely because the spacing on these LEDs, which is more compressed around the edges of this light. The light itself emits the least amount of heat for any light I have ever used, which is great for the summer, but not so great for the winter. This is what made me less concerned about all the excess power cords above. Overall, I would highly recommend this light, and a link to it is in the description. Make sure you clip that coupon on Amazon because that savings is hefty.